This was the only trigger. And the fact that it's just been yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, I don't know, I think the stock is just going to collapse. It is been an FNO ban. So imagine a stock where there is a lot of yes and no. It was an FNO ban. The positioning of Zee in a sense has been completely one-sided. The merger goes through, and then in the near term, first there would be technical pressure, then there would be compulsions of FNO, and then there would be a real adjustment for the stock per se. Now there is no point in trying to preempt how large or how big the fall in in Zee today really could be, because it's anyone's guess. But the fact that you are not going to find buyers coming out in a hurry and buy the Zee stock. There are a lot of concerns in the near term which are real in nature, which will take time before they are addressed. Concern number one, since Zee is a stock which is owned by HNI investors and by institutional investors, what call they are likely to take? More than 50% of Zee stock currently is held between institutional investors. What view they may take? Anyone's guess. Second, what will happen? Could there be legal battle and legal proceedings both from the side of Zee and Sony? And could this just be a big drag on the company and its functioning in the court? There could be a case of that. See, operationally, markets were working with an assumption this would have created India's biggest media company, and now the dynamics completely would change for Zee in terms of their future assumptions. So it's a stock which today, needless to say, will be on the wrong side of the trade. It will take some time for the real price discovery to happen, but I don't think this is a stock where you want to buy the bad news. If you see a fall of 25, 30, 40%, you normally see buyers coming out. But in this case, that may not happen. In fact, it would be interesting to see that what collective call institutional investors will take now, considering that the promoter entity, or in this case actually is less than 10% ownership. So this is not bad news, this is terrible news. And I don't think there is going to be a visible light at the end of the tunnel. I think this is going to be a dark, long tunnel, at least for Zee shareholders, for a long time.